Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open our contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So now we have to tap on this edit icon, which is a pencil icon in the right upper corner, and now let's tap on this camera icon. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to our files. So let me pick, for example, this one. And here, just tap on got it, and here from this step we can adjust the size of this square. We can change the position of the photo, as you can see, and we can zoom in or out the photo also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. Here you can use the switcher to rotate the picture, and if you're ready, just tap on done. As you can see, the photo has been applied successfully, so just tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like after saving. Of course, you will also be able to see it on the contact list. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.